Today we will be looking at a high frequency scalping indicator.
Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below.
As I said, today we will be looking at a high frequency scalping indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 523 different strategies. The total number of winners so far has been 157. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a high frequency scalping indicator. And so this is kind of a continuation of the NQ series here on the Academy of Forex. Recently, I announced that we had partnered with Will from Will Trades. And what I did was originally I tried to develop an indicator that worked well or fit within his style of trading, which is trading during the New York session and trading kind of one or two good setups a day, kind of getting your money and getting out of the market. And so what I created originally was the Academy of Forex NQ momentum candles, which gives you very high probability setups, and again, a few of them a day, essentially, a few of those setups. Now, the issue is if you're trying to pass a prop firm, then the prop firm challenge can be quite challenging if, no pun intended, if you are only taking one or two trades a day, especially if you're being very mindful of your risk tolerance. You don't want to just full port the account, one losing trade or one bad trade or pullback, and you lose the challenge. And so the idea is to be able to take more high frequency scalp trades, which is why I created this indicator here, and risk only $150 to $200 per trade, and build up that challenge account a lot quicker by being able to take 3 or 4 trades every single day in the green, essentially. And so that's why I've created this indicator here, which is the Academy of Forex NQ HF scalping indicator, the high frequency scalping indicator. And the setup on this is pretty darn simple. But before we take a look at it, let me go ahead and fill you in more on Will from Will Trades, and then we'll take a look at the indicator on the other side. Before we take a look at a few trade setups, I'd like to introduce our newest partner. This is Will from Will Trades. He is a very talented and profitable futures and prop firm trader. With over 6 years of experience, every single morning he is helping his Discord team become just as profitable as he is. Each morning for his entire Discord team, he points out the key levels where he is looking to take the trades for the day. Not only does he call out those key levels for everybody on the Discord, but he calls out exactly when he is taking those trades in real time. So everyone on Discord can take those trades in real time side by side with him as he is calling those out. And just to show you what is possible when you join his Discord, I've been going through the profits that is posted by his team every single day. You can get a risk-free 5-day free trial when you sign up using the link down below in my description. And when you use that link down below in the description, not only will you get access to Will's Discord, but you'll also get access to the Academy of Forex Discord absolutely free with all the benefits, including the free trial to our indicator that comes with joining that Discord. All right, so now that you've been filled in on Will from Will Trades, really great community in Discord, highly recommended. The setup on this indicator again is really simple, and we have a few settings here. Most of the settings have been locked out, and that's because I've optimized them for kind of the best results. And so when you get the indicator, you'll have these two selections already checked. I recommend unchecking this selection here and going with just a fixed take profit of 6 points. If you want to use this selection here, basically what it does is if you check this selection right here, then it will take the ATR with the length of 50 is what it's currently set on, and it will convert the value of the ATR on the signal bar into points and then make that your take profit with a 1-to-1 risk reward. And you can add in a buffer here to close that gap just a little bit. But sometimes even with the 50 ATR, things get a little bit extended for my liking. So what I did was just set a 6-point scalp take profit with a 1-to-1 risk reward. Everything else, like I said, is just in styles, and all of it's default. You can just leave it on. Go ahead and click OK, and we'll take a look at the actual setup itself. So you see that we have these bars here with the red triangles above them and these green lines. The red triangle basically will appear, at least the red triangle will, when you get a candle that breaks below the green candle here, the body of the green candle. Like I said, red triangle will appear at that point and will give you this green line, which will be your 6-point take profit zone that you'll be aiming for. And of course, your stop loss will be the equal 1-to-1 risk reward on the opposite side. And so the idea of this, again, is to try to get 2 or 3, maybe 4 trades in the green and then call it good for the day and take your money and leave. But for the ability to just be able to kind of framework what this is capable of, what I did was I went back and I went from 6 p.m. Eastern, which is the market open, to 9 p.m. Eastern, 3 hours, and I went back and tested it over a period of days, which we'll look at here in just a moment. So the setup on this, as I said, is we get this break to the downside of the green candle here. We get a red triangle, we get our take profit, and you can see we hit our take profit right here. Second trade would have been a losing trade, so we've basically been break even at that point. Move on to this trade here, and we hit our take profit, so we're up 1. Hit this one here, take profit, up 2. This one here, take profit, we're up 3. This one here, we would have hit take profit and we're up 4. This one right here would have hit take profit and we are up 5. This one here, hit take profit, we're up 6. This one here, we would have lost, so we would have been down 1. So now we're at a total of 5 winning trades, and that's just within the first hour of the market open. And so you can see how this high frequency style can really grow your account very quickly. Again, if you're only risking about $150 to $200 per winning trade. And so you can see how you would have easily hit close to $1,000 with this method right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the numbers here. So as I said, I basically just took the first 3 hours of the day, went 13 days back from the most previous opened day, trading day. And out of those 13 days, we had 143 trades. 94 of them were winners. 49 of them, the trades were losers. And that will put us right at a 66% win rate. And the total losing trades in a row were 4 on any given time within these 13 days. So you can see how risking $150 to $200 will keep you below that threshold some of the prop firms have of the $1,000 loss lockout that they have on the day. And so that's why keeping it at a very minimal risk tolerance there is very beneficial. And so over those 13 days, the total gain would have been $6,750. Again, with a one-to-one risk to reward and $150 losing and winning per trade. Now, once again, that's only the first 3 hours of the day. You can very easily continue to trade this further into the trading session, and you can definitely get yourself back into the green by at least a couple winning trades every single day. Now, as far as trading the New York session, it can be done, but you might have to adjust the stop and take profit a little bit to adjust for the more volatile kind of session. But if we jump back into one of the most recent trading sessions right here, again, New York session, you can see right here that starting at the bottom of this really nice trend run up here, we would have gotten take profit there, take profit here, take profit here, take profit here, take profit here. Probably that one probably would have been a loser actually with this wick down, but take profit here. So we would have been up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 1, would have put us at 4. Take profit here, we're back to 5. Here, take profit 6. Here, take profit 7. Here, take profit 8. Here, take profit 9. Here, take profit 10. Here, take profit 11. Take profit 12. Take profit 13. And then coming down this side, we would have hit take profit here on this one for 14. Take profit here for 15. Here, take profit again. 16, take profit here 17. This one would have been a loser, putting us back to 16, back up to 17 here, back up to 18 or up to 18. Then this one would have been a loser, dropping us back down to 17 at this point. And so that's during a nice run up and run down and back up in the New York session. So you can see how when you catch a really nice trend movement, you can really capitalize on the scalping method here. And so just like with the NQ with the momentum candles, I'm offering a 5-day free trial to anybody who wants to try it completely risk-free. You don't have to pay anything. Just join our Discord and go to the general channel and at DP Roberts, that is me, and let me know that you want a free trial to the high frequency scalping indicator, and I'll give you access for 5 days. If you are a patron of the channel, then you will maintain access. I'll give you access. You'll maintain access as long as you stay a patron of the channel. And if you join our patron or Patreon, then you will get the unlimited access to this indicator from that point on. All right, so that's it for this video here. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Hope you liked the indicator, and we will jump right in on the next video from here.